afternoon everybody. We're heading back out again for a little wander down to Fishguard. So my only main concern is this entrance out of the caravan and touring park at Tregroes. There's no paths, so we're just got to be wary of traffic coming in both directions, guys. So yeah, it's not the best, but we've got to put up with it. So this is the walk we've got to do. I believe it does get to a path in about 100 yards or so, but even so, it's a little bit hairy scary. Right, so you can now see the pathway has happened. So we're about 150 yards up the road this is. So we're just going to find our way into town now. I think it's basically straight across the roundabout, I do believe. Right, so we're following the footpath down. As I say, it's downhill going and uphill coming back. I did think we'd probably go straight across the roundabout, but there was no pathway visible, so we took the one on the left. So it's a bit of a learning curve for me this afternoon, and tomorrow we can have another look. Right, so we've walked underneath this bridge, guys, at the bottom of that footpath, and we found another footpath to the left where we're going to walk, and hopefully this will bring us into town. So it's not too bad at the moment. We're about 15 minutes in on our walk, so I was expecting about 30 minutes. Right, we're about a mile in at the moment, guys, and this pathway splits off in two directions. We've got the ferry port down this way, and I guess into Fishguard itself that way. So I think we're going to just take a wander down here. A little woodland section here. Right, I believe down there somewhere is a very small section of beach. This guy's not going to be happy though, didn't bring the ball with me. Ah well, it's just a little walk this afternoon, guys, but I'm thinking tomorrow and the next day, I think we'll only be doing this once a day. We'll have a good long morning out, and then we'll come back and have a little bit of a relaxing afternoon. Right, so it looks like we've got another road to cross. Right, we're going to take the steps down. Right, so we're coming to the ferry end of Fishguard now. You've got the road up there, guys. I guess that will take you back into town, all the way we just come. You got a little snack coffee shop over the road. So this is the beach. As I say, it's not like the beaches where we just come from. But we'll pop down here. As I say, we've got no ball for Sky, but she can have a little wander. Right, so we just dip down onto the beach, have a little walk to the end. She's thinking, Dad, where's my ball? Sorry darling, we didn't bring a ball. So the ferry terminal is right over in the distance, guys. So I'm guessing there isn't an awful lot to do on this side of Fishguard. We're about 1.4 miles in from the site, downhill, so it is uphill to come back. Not much sand on here, just basically shingle. Sky will be okay, just chasing the ball, but it's not one of those sunbaby beaches. Never mind, we've already got 2 full days here, guys, so and then we're saving the best 2 till last. We've got lovely 4 nights in Tenby, and then we're off down to Three Cliffs Bay, and that Nicholaston campsite. Did look at the Three Cliffs one, but it was almost 3 times the price it was, so a little bit more walking, but a lot cheaper. As I say, tomorrow I think we'll divert more into Fishguard itself. Looks a bit more promising. I think there's an old fort or something on a hillside. As you say, when you come to these new destinations, you're not really sure what you're going to find and expect. Right, so I think we're going to have a little wander along this jetty. We just had a bit of a play with the drone as well, so that's another drone flight in the bag. Right, have a wander. The last invasion of Britain. Invasion of Britain began on the 22nd of February 1797. 4 French vessels anchored off the rocky headland west of Fishguard. So main Fishguard town is up on the hill up there, and there's a beach. Right, so we're just walking to the end of the jetty. Mileage terms, we're exactly 2 miles in from the campsite now, guys, so not too far in mileage. As I say, you got Fishguard up on the top there, lovely houses overlooking the bay. Looks like there's a little bay over there, guys. I think that's going to be tomorrow's walk. It's probably another one of those sites, guys, where you're probably better in the caravan, or if you tow a car behind your motorhomes, or you got bikes. But for me, as I say, having Sky, we tend to do mostly walking. Right, and this is the end. Right, so we're heading back off the jetty, and we're going to do the pretty well the reverse way back, guys. Right, just have a look what this building is. It says Sea Trust Ocean Lab. I think it's just a tea room. Enjoy a coffee. Yeah, so it's there's some upstairs tables, downstairs. Looks very nice inside there. Right. Right, subscribers and non-subscribers, hope you enjoyed our little wander this afternoon. It's basically just to show you how to leave Tregroes site and walk into town. As you can see, we managed to find the ferry end, and tomorrow we'll go for the Fishguard end. So thanks again for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up, a comment, guys, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and hit the bell icon. So we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now. Right, everybody, we're at the road down into the site, and across the road there's another public footpath, and I believe that could be a quicker way into the main town centre of Fishguard. So we'll give that a whirl in the morning and report back. So we're heading back now for a coffee and some muffins, guys, and that's so yeah, hopefully we can do that walk into Fishguard a little bit quicker tomorrow. Bye for now.